In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with M&T Bank Mobile Online 2025. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along on your phone. First, you'll want to compare cards on the M&T Credit Cards page. Open the M&T Mobile site or the bank's mobile app and navigate to the credit card section. Take a moment to think about your goal. If your priority is saving on interest while moving an existing balance, look for a card that highlights a 0% introductory APR on balance transfers. If you're more interested in everyday value, consider a rewards card that earns points or cash back on purchases. As you compare, glance at the details beneath each card, the length of any introductory period, the standard variable APR after that period ends, whether there's an annual fee, and any balance transfer or foreign transaction fees. Also, check how rewards can be redeemed, like statement credits or travel, and whether there are category bonuses that match your spending habits. Reading the key terms now helps you avoid surprises later and ensures the card fits your needs. Once you found the right fit, start the application by tapping Apply Now on that card's page. Before you tap, quickly confirm you're on the official M&T experience by checking the address bar or using the official app. A reliable internet connection helps prevent timeouts, and having your personal information in mind can make the next screens go faster. This step opens the secure application flow for the specific card you selected, so double check the card name and highlights one more time. Next, log in with your existing M&T online banking credentials to begin. Logging in securely ties your application to your profile and may pre-fill some information, making the process smoother. If you're already signed in on the app, you'll move forward automatically. It's normal to see a two-factor authentication prompt. Follow the steps on your device and only proceed if you initiated the login. For a safer experience, use a private, secure connection rather than public Wi-Fi and avoid entering your details on unfamiliar pages. From here, the mobile flow will guide you through the rest in a clear step-by-step format tailored to the card you chose. Take your time reading the on-screen information and proceed at a pace that feels comfortable. That's all there is to it. Compare the cards, tap Apply, now on your choice, and log in to start your application with confidence.